Are you planning a big move in or out of Atlanta? 3 Movers is your trusted full-service moving company, here to make your relocation stress-free and easy. From packing to transport, we handle it all so you don't have to. With 3 Movers, you get everything you need for a smooth move. Our full-service movers handle packing and unpacking, furniture, disassembly and reassembly, loading and unloading, transport, electronics, packing, storage services, and more. One of the biggest advantages of choosing a full-service moving company is the time it saves you. Let our experienced movers handle all the heavy lifting, packing, and logistics. You can focus on what really matters, settling into your new home. Your belongings are in safe hands with 3 Movers. We use the best packing materials and techniques to ensure that even your most fragile items are transported safely to your new home. To give you the most accurate quote possible, we'll take inventory of all your items, so we know exactly what's being moved. This helps us give you an estimate of both cost and time for your full-service move. Choosing the right full-service moving company is crucial for a smooth move. At 3 Movers, we've built a reputation for being reliable, professional, and customer-focused. Our team is fully licensed and insured, so you can trust us with your valuable belongings. Ready to move? Contact 3 Movers today for your free, no-obligation quote. Call us at 888-202-0036 or visit our website to get started. Our friendly customer support is here to help 24/7.